Okay, so we're gonna check out the Enduristan 20-liter dry bag. I will put a link in the description below. Remember, you follow that link, 10% off. Well, it's kind of dark in here, ain't it? But this is our camp. Not too dang bad. We're about 7 miles from Lake City. Anyways, let's see what we got in this little bag here. Alright, let's see here. How do we open this thing? Clip. Alright, so 20-liter bag. Sappy in here. So I've got a blanket. I've got some shorts. A beanie. The bag that I lost for... Damn, it's sap everywhere. Sleeping bag, toiletries, fire starter, no fires, tent stakes. Damn it. Oh. Stuff for being warm, extra socks. Sleeping pad. Rain poncho. Pillow. Then we have my quilt, and last but not least, sleeping bag. So all in all, quite a bit of stuff goes in that little bag, and it compresses down pretty darn good. Again, Enduristan's 20-liter bag. I believe they call this the Tornado dry bag. Anyway, go ahead and check out the link description below. Follow that link. 10% off this bag, guys. This stuff is pretty darn good quality. Nothing got wet, and we rode in the rain and the mud a lot. I'm happy to bring you some new gear that I'm checking out. So I apologize. That's actually the Tornado 25. So that means this is a 25-liter bag. So anyways, all that stuff came out of it. What's cool is when you get out of your gear, okay, your pants, your shirt, whatever, you can stuff it inside the bag and you can leave it outside. So if it rains, it's not going to be a big deal. It's not going to get wet. But here was what we got. So we got the quilt, the pillow, the pad, a little cheap blanket. And I mean, that's all the space you really need. I'll need to bring my helmet in here. But other than that, there you go. That's your Enduristan Tornado 25. So I thought that was only a 20-liter bag. I do apologize. It's actually a 25-liter bag, which actually makes a lot of sense because I had a lot more stuff in there than I did my other bag. So anyway, we're going to go ahead and we're going to get the saddlebags unloaded, and we're going to get something to eat. I just want to say thank you for watching till the end. Remember, check out that link in the description below for 10% off anything Enduristan sells. So far, this gear is pretty darn good. Thanks for watching till the end. And as always, life's an adventure.